Once again, welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today I am going to do some more problems on Pythagoras theorem of right angle triangle. In my last video, one by one already we have uploaded 6.5 exercise 6.5 from class 7 NCERT book mathematics, and these questions from R.D. Sharma book. If you want to do some more problems on Pythagoras theorem or any syllabus questions from class 7 syllabus mathematics, then please prefer R.D. Sharma books. There is a publisher named R.D. Sharma, author of mathematics books. These questions from in this video we collect these questions from R.D. Sharma books of class 7. So please go and have the R.D. Sharma books for more problems, for more questions, for latest collection of questions on any topic of class 7. So let's start our video. In a right triangle ABC, question number 2. First question is state Pythagoras theorem. So it is not important for us, it is a description, it is a definition. So I leave it and I start from question number 2. In a right triangle ABC, this is a theory. In question number 1, this is a theory, this is a statement of Pythagoras theorem. This is important for us to understand what is Pythagoras theorem, but here I don't want to write here, I will post it on my community. So for this community, for this update, please stay tuned with my channel Active Education Pro. Question number 2. In a right triangle ABC, the length of two legs are given. Find the length of the hypotenuse. There are 4 bits, 1 I, second I, triple I, IV. There are 4 bits, and every bit is linked with a right triangle ABC. So first we have to draw a right triangle ABC. So here this is a triangle, right triangle. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Find the length of the hypotenuse. So questions for us to find the hypotenuse. So we don't know what is AC. We don't know what is AC. And length of two legs are given. Length of two legs. First look here, A is equal to 6, B is equal to 8. So we don't know from these of two which is perpendicular and which is base. But we have to refer anyone you can say, anyone you can take. Maybe you can take AB is the perpendicular 6 cm or BC and BC is the base 8 cm. Otherwise it's reverse, its opposite, means AB as 8 cm perpendicular, BC is the base as 6 cm. So it is depend upon you. So it is not a problem for you to take whether it is perpendicular or base, because here it is not maintained in this question which is the individual perpendicular or individual base. It says that the length of the two legs are given to us. So it is not a problem to take which is one perpendicular and which is one is base between them. So let's start the question bit 1. First, A is equal to 6, B is equal to 8. From them, one is B and another one is B. So question says that first question is A is equal to 6, B is equal to 8. Here I take P is equal to 6 and B is equal to 8. Question says that H square is equal to P square plus B square. So H square is equal to P square plus B square. So that P is equal to 36 plus 64, which is equal to 100. And so H is equal to 100, square root of 100, which is equal to 10. So this is 10 centimeter. Again I repeat it, don't forget to maintain its unity, to write its unit. This is all the questions are about centimeter, so you have to put centimeter as its unit, 10 centimeter. H is equal to 10 centimeter for question number 1, for bit 1 of question number 2 of R.D. Sharma 7th class mathematics books. Then next proceed for question number bit number 2. Here A is equal to 8. Suppose P is equal to 8 centimeter. I take perpendicular as 8 centimeter and base is equal to 15 centimeter. So H square is P square plus B square, which is equal to 64 plus 225, and this is 289. 289. H square is equal to 289. So that H is equal to square root of 289, which is equal to 17, and put the unit, this is centimeter, 17 centimeter. For question number bit 2, for question number 2 and bit 2, H is equal to 17 centimeter of this right angle triangle. Here all the 4 questions carries different values for perpendicular and base. So we get for different values for hypotenuse of these 4 bit, for these 4 questions. Okay, then next question number 3. A is equal to 3 centimeter and B is equal to 4 centimeter. So P is equal to 3 centimeter and B is equal to 4 centimeter. And Pythagoras theorem said that H square is equal to P square plus B square. And don't forget to write its formula, because you write the formula, you practice the formula, it is better for you in your future. So don't skip the formula. You think that yes, I know formula, I didn't need to write again this H square is equal to P square plus B square. No, it is not correct for a student. So please always write any formula, you have to write repeatedly again and again, it is a practice for you. So in future you don't have any problem, you don't try to recall it, you don't need to recall it in future. So always write the formula, what the amount it may be, for the times it may be, 5 times, 6 times. No, never forget to write the formula. So let's start. P square plus B square, here P is 3 and B is 4 centimeter. So here 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16, which is equal to 25. And now H is equal to square root of 25 is equal to 5 centimeter. For bit 3, hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. And then next bit IV, the last bit, A is equal to 2 centimeter. Suppose here P is equal to 2 centimeter and B is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Look here, base is a decimal length. 1.5 is a decimal point. It is not a complete whole number, 1.5. So be careful when the length comes in decimal numbers. You have to solve it carefully. So here H square is equal to P square plus B square, which is equal to 2 centimeter is 4 centimeter, square of 2 is 4, and 1.5 square of 1.5 centimeter, it will be 2.25 centimeter, which is equal to 6.25 centimeter. And you know H is equal to centimeter square, because I forget, I write the unit at the time of solving, so it will be centimeter square. Then H is equal to 6.25 centimeter square. Square root of 6.25 centimeter square, it will be 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. So for question number 1, this is the answer, 10 centimeter. Bit number 2, 17 centimeter. Bit number 3, 5 centimeter. And bit 4 is 2.5 centimeter for question number 2 of Addis Sharma class 7 mathematics books. Then next move for the next questions. The hypotenuse of a triangle is 2.5 centimeter. If one of the sides is 1.5 centimeter, find the length of the other. The hypotenuse of a triangle. So yes, of course, hypotenuse means it is a right angle triangle. So first we have to draw a right angle triangle. Here I draw a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle, hypotenuse 2.5 centimeter. This hypotenuse is 2.5 centimeter. If one of the sides is 1.5 centimeter, it doesn't maintain which is the sides, perpendicular base. So here I take perpendicular is 1.5 centimeter. So 1.5 centimeter. This perpendicular is 1.5 centimeter. Find the length of the other side. Find the length of the other side. So other side means if I take it the perpendicular as 1.5, so we have to find out the base of this triangle. Otherwise, if you take base is 1.5, then you have to find out the perpendicular. Here I take the perpendicular is 1.5, so you have to find out the base. And as per Pythagoras theorem, you know H square is equal to P square plus B square. So that here P is 1.5. So put the value of here value of H and value of P are given to us, and B is completely unknown for us, and we have to find out the value of B. B for base. B means here base. So put the value of H and P. From these three variables, we know data of two variables, H and P. So H is 2.5 square, 2.5 square, and yes, this problem is also a decimal problem, number of decimals, decimal numbers, problem of decimal numbers. So please check it carefully whether you have placed the decimal points at correct place or not. P is 1.5 square plus B square. We don't know the value of B square, so it remains as a variable B. So here now this answer is 6.25 and 2.25 plus B square. Right now I can interchange the position. You can write here B square plus 2.25 is equal to 6.25, and b square is equal to 6.25 minus 2.25, which is equal to 4, and b is equal to 4 square of 4 is equal to 2, and its unit is centimeter, So this is the solution. B means its base. Here solution is 2 centimeter. This is the answer of base. The triangle, find the length of the other side. Here other side is base because I take the perpendicular as it's one side given to us 1.5 centimeter, and I have to check the value of base. This is 2 centimeter. So this is the questions of question number 2 and 3 of R.D. Sharma mathematics books, and in my next video we will do some more problem from R.D. Sharma books on Pythagoras theorem. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video, and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.